Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Salvatore by W. Somerset Maugham. I already taught this chapter up to here. Today I am going to continue from here. Okay, before starting let me remind you the name of the book. It's Echoes, a collection of ISC short stories. Now before starting let me recap a little. The author knew Salvatore since he was a boy of 15. Salvatore was a thin boy who had a pleasant face, a laughing mouth, and carefree eyes. His father was a fisherman who owned a little vineyard, and Salvatore acted as a nursemaid to his two younger brothers. When Salvatore grew up, he fell in love with a girl who lived on the Grand Medina. The girl was pretty and had beautiful eyes. They got engaged, and Salvatore for the first time left the island to become a sailor in the navy of King Victor Emmanuel. Salvatore fell ill with some form of rheumatism, and this made him further unfit for job. Instead of feeling sad or dejected, his heart exulted at the thought of going home. When Salvatore finally came home, he saw his father and mother and two brothers, but his eyes could not find the girl. Now in the evening, he went to the girl's house. The girl straight out told that she would not marry him because of his ailment. Salvatore felt broken-hearted. Okay, now let's start from here. When Salvatore went home, he found that they all knew that girl's father had been able to tell them what they had decided, but they had lacked the courage to tell him themselves. Okay, no one told anything about it. Okay, he wept on his mother's bosom. Now Salvatore felt very sad. He wept on his mother's bosom. Okay, he was terribly unhappy, but he did not blame the girl. Okay, the most important thing of Salvatore is that he did not blame the girl. Okay, a fisherman's life is hard and it needs strength and endurance. Okay, now look, a fisherman's life is hard and it needs strength and endurance. He knew very well that a girl could not afford to marry a man who might not be able to support her. His smile was very sad, and his eyes had the look of a dog that has been beaten. But he did not complain, and he never said a hard word about the girl he had loved so well. Okay? Then a few months later, when he had settled down in the common round, working in his father's vineyard and fishing, his mother told him that there was a young woman in the village who was willing to marry him. Okay, a young woman in the village was willing to marry him. Her name was Asunta. Okay, she's as ugly as the devil. Now she was older than Salvatore, 24 or 25, and she had been engaged to a man who, while doing his military service, had been killed in Africa. She had a little money of her own, and if Salvatore married her, she could buy him a boat of his own, and they could take a vineyard that by happy chance happened at that moment to be without a tenant. His mother told him that Asunta had seen him at the fiesta and had fallen in love with him. Now, on the following Sunday, dressed in his deep black clothes, in which he looked so much less well than in the ragged shirt and trousers of every day, he went up to high mass at the parish church and placed himself so that he could have a good look at the young woman. When he came down again, he told his mother that he was willing. Okay, now after seeing Asunta, Salvatore told his mother that he was willing to marry Asunta. Okay, up to this much. In my next video, I will continue with this story. Until then, goodbye.